بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're doing great and fine shine. You're watching Tutor Hafiz Kashif YouTube channel. I would like to tell you that this is Islamic and Quranic YouTube channel producing Islamic and Quranic content. So if you are new on this channel, so please like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khaira. So without any further delay, let's begin. Lesson number 3, Joint Letters. Instruction. In this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Have you students identify every alphabet in a word? For example, lam alif is actually lam plus alif. We will also learn the different shapes of particular letters. For example, lam alif. So let's begin. So this is, what is this, Ahmad?
Alif.
Good. This is lam and alif. Lam plus alif. So there is 2 letters. Lam plus alif. Okay.
Okay.
Lam alif.
Lam alif.
This is also lam alif. Just shape different. Like just style. There is a different style. Lam alif.
Lam alif.
This is ba and
Ba.
along with alif. So what will be ba alif?
Ba alif.
Ba alif.
Ba alif.
This is lam alif with different style. Okay.
Okay.
This is
Lam.
good. Lam alif with different style. This is ha ha.
Ha ha.
Yeah. This is lam alif. This is, you can see here, ba and along with lam and plus ba. So there is 3 letter, ba, lam, ba. Okay.
Okay.
Say ba, lam, ba.
Ba lam ba.
Shabash. Good. This is
Kaf.
light kaf. Okay. This is also light kaf with different style. This is kaf ba,
Kaf ba.
kaf ba,
Kaf ba.
kaf ba,
Kaf ba.
kaf alif,
Kaf alif.
kaf alif,
Kaf alif.
ba kaf ta,
Ba kaf ta.
ba kaf ta,
Ba kaf ta.
ta kaf tha,
Ta kaf ta.
ta kaf tha.
Ta kaf ta.
Good. This is,
Ba.
and this one,
Ta.
well done. This is,
Sa.
this is,
Nun.
this is.
Ya.
So that's mean you learned our previous first lesson number first Arabic alphabet. So this is ba alif. This come again. This is noon alif.
Nun alif.
Ta alif.
Ta alif.
Ya alif.
Ya alif.
Sa alif.
Sa alif.
Joint letters lessons are very easy. So there is just 2 to 3 words joining together. This is basin,
Basin.
yasin.
Yasin.
Okay. This is noon, sin.
Nun sin.
Okay. Tasin,
Tasin.
thasin,
Tasin.
thajim,
Sajim.
taha.
Taha.
This one is noon kha,
Nun kha.
yaha,
Yaha.
bajim,
Bajim.
ya mim,
Yamim.
ba mim,
Bamim.
noon mim,
Nun mim.
ta mim,
Tamimim.
tha mim,
Samim.
ba ya,
Baya.
ya ya,
Yaya.
noon ya,
Nun ya.
ta ya,
Daya.
tha ya,
Saya.
noon ba lam,
Nun balam.
ta noon lam,
Tanunam.
ba ya lam,
Bayalam. lam.
Ya ta lam.
Ya ta lam.
Tha lam.
Sa lam.
Nun ba nun.
Nun ba nun.
Ba nun nun.
Ba nun.
We know the all makhraj points, so let's begin. Dha alif.
Tha alif.
Ain.
Ain.
Ghain.
Ghain.
Hamza.
Hamza.
Ain za.
Ain za.
Ghain ra.
Ghain ra.
Sad ain.
Swad ain.
Zad ghain.
Zwad ain.
Well done. Ba ain dal.
Ba ain dal.
3 letters. Ta ghain dal.
Ta ghain dal.
Well done. Hamza.
Hamza.
Alif.
Alif.
Hamza.
Hamza.
Waw.
Waw.
Hamza.
Hamza.
Ya.
Ya.
Fa.
Fa.
Qaf.
Qaf.
Waw.
Waw.
Qaf. Waw.
Qaf. Waw.
Fa. Waw.
Fa. Waw.
Fa. Qaf. Lam.
Fa. Qaf. Lam.
Qaf. Fa. Lam.
Qaf. Fa. Lam.
Ya. Fa.
Ya. Fa.
Mim. Mim.
Mim. Mim.
Ha. Mim.
Ha. Mim.
Lam. Mim.
Lam. Mim.
Ta. Mim.
Ta. Mim.
Ta. Mim. Ta.
Ta. Mim. Ta.
Which mean tammat bil khair. The end. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned from this video. If you learned a single word from this video, so please hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khaira. We will meet soon in next informative video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Allah Hafiz.